Well, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and today is Go Tell Aunt Rhody tutorial, walkthrough, step by step, on the violin, okay? Go Tell Aunt Rhody. If you know the lyrics, lamentable. That's all I can say. A little scary and sad, but you know what, Suzuki, we don't do the lyrics. But, so that's good for us. If you are curious though, check below, because I'll have the lyrics, and you'll see why I am on theme by wearing gray, okay? So, Go Tell Aunt Rhody. Go Tell Aunt Rhody is really cool. Oh, I should say that Go Tell Aunt Rhody is song number 4 in Suzuki Book 1 for violin, okay? Okay, Go Tell Aunt Rhody follows the same structure as Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, so it's a sandwich, okay? So we have an A, B, A. 3 lines. First line and third line are the same, okay? And then the middle line, a little different. But the middle line also has an echo just like Twinkle does, right? So this is really cool. So if we use that knowledge, it'll help us learn the song, okay? So here we go. Go Tell Aunt Rhody. I'm going to do this a little bit lower than the actual pitch because this gets really high for me. So 2, okay, on the A string. I'll sing the first half of the first line. Here we go. 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A. Okay? So how do we do that? Here we go. So on the violin, A string, 1 and 2, get them ready, okay? Here we go. Ready, and 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A. Okay? So that's that. Let's go to guitar style if you want, or up here, okay? I always like to pluck up here. Okay, so 1 and 2 ready. Let's try that first half. Okay, ready, go. 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A. Okay? Second half of the first line, okay? It's going to be E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Okay, so we get to use our open E starting out, so here we go. And then the rest is going to be on the A string. So here we go. E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Okay? So let's do just that second half from the E string. Ready, go. E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Okay? So now our job is to put together the whole first line, right? So 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Whew, that whole thing, but slower. Okay, here we go. Plucking. Ready, go. 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Okay. Not bad, right? Again, go back, practice if you need to, replay backwards, okay? But if you're ready, line 2 starts here. So, line 2. It's going to be opposite direction. So the first we kind of step down. We go 2, 2, 1, A, right? This one, second line is 2, 2, 3, E. We kind of go up, which is kind of fun. So it's an opposite direction of the first line. Here we go. Second line. First half. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E, 3, 2. Okay? So how do we do that? On the violin, on the A string, starting on 2, A string. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E, 3, 2. Okay. Let's try plucking it. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E, 3, 2. Okay? Now here's the echo. That was the loud part. Here's the echo, okay? It's a little different. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E. We said that long open E, which is kind of cool, okay? So, here we go. A string, 1, 2. Here we go. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E. And let that E ring, okay? That's it. So now we're gonna do the plucking here. Okay. So echo, shh. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E. Oh, okay. I love that. And then so now we're going to go from the whole second line through. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E, 3, 2. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E. Okay, so let's try it. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E, 3, 2. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E. Okay, echo, yes. So go back, practice that one again, okay? Now, the third line is the same as the first line, so our work is done. Let's just review that, okay? Pizzicato, ready, go. 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Okay? Now, the marathon pizzicato. Here we go. We're going to go from the first line A, to line B, to line A. Straight through. Let's do it. Take a deep breath and let's do this. Here we go. So instruments up. For this time, definitely have your instrument up. We got to practice this, okay? 1 and 2 on the A string. Thumb, point your finger. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Second line. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E, 3, 2, echo. 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E. Loud. 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Alright, that's it. Whew. I feel accomplished already. Now it's time for the bow. Okay, so here we go. Bow ready. Shake it out. Here we go. We got the bow pinky there. Instruments up. Straight wrist. Okay, here we go. Let's do a slow tempo. Oh, with this, we want to be as smooth as possible. So we're just going to be in the middle of the bow and open and close our elbow. Right from that joint like that. Open and close, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, 1, E, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. All right. How'd you do? Make sure you practice. Do that one, especially the bowing one, a couple of times. Really see if you can get that bow to be as smooth as possible and a beautiful, smooth sound. Okay, so what's next? Okay, if you're ready with this and you're feeling good, check out the next video, which will be the playthrough. And so there we're going to be doing the slow performance speed and then the fastest performance speed. And if you can do both of those and something in between, you are set. You are prepared for your recital. Okay, I'll see you there.